I'm Tony Sklar with bnetTV. We are here at IBC in Amsterdam 2012, and I am speaking with ActiveVideo Networks, Mr. Jeff Miller. How are you today, sir?
Very well, thanks.
Excellent. Listen, for all the people out there in bnetTV land, why don't you give us a brief overview of ActiveVideo Networks and what you're doing here at IBC?
Sure. ActiveVideo makes a platform in the cloud called Cloud TV. The platform is really browser technology placed in the cloud that allows service providers of television services to create user experiences, navigation guides, other interactive applications entirely in the cloud based on HTML, and then stream those applications to any device in the home, set-top box, connected TV, any device capable of displaying video.
What makes your company better than your competitors in this space?
Well, the biggest advantage to doing Cloud TV or cloud-based application platform is that it takes away all of the dependency from the device in the home. So any user experience or application that a service provider wants to provide to their subscribers as part of the television experience can be created once and literally deployed to any device in the home, including the legacy set-top box deployed capital that they have already deployed in the homes.
How easy is it for the consumer to actively set up the product?
There is no setup for the consumer. That's the other advantage. Because the intelligence of the platform is all cloud-based, it's in the network, there's nothing in the home. The consumer simply turns on the set-top box or the television and the services are there. Nothing to set up.
So there has been some challenges over the last probably about 3 years where we've seen a lot of it's coming, and now it's here. Cloud-based TV is not a new phenomenon, but it's really starting to gain some momentum. What were some of the challenges that your company has experienced, and how did you get over those to get to where you are?
Well, the biggest challenge is just that the television industry is a very slow evolving industry. Both from a cultural standpoint and from a technology standpoint. There's a deployed base of technology that is in the home that's difficult to change, which makes it harder for the television service providers to embrace cloud technologies because they require changes in the home that are difficult to make. So it's been very slow.
Do you feel that some of the set-top box manufacturers or owners, so to speak, if you will, are still worried about DRM or any sense of rights management where it's going to get away from them?
There's certainly DRM issues, content rights issues that have been difficult to solve, and those are not really technology problems. They're just more legal industry rights issues that have slowed down some innovation as well. Yes.
So do you feel that inevitably there's going to be this hockey stick type curve that is going to see some explosion within the industry that's just going to cause the deployment to run at a very nutso pace, so to speak? I think we are in that hockey stick moment. Of course, I thought that 10 years ago as well, so maybe I shouldn't be on tape saying that. But yeah, I do think that we've reached a convergence. Kind of like the music industry suddenly went digital, right? The same thing can happen in video. It's been slower to happen, but I think we're getting close to the point where the intersection of technology, consumer habits, and willingness from the operators to make some changes is all happening at once. And I was going to add in their willingness on the consumer's part too to consume the data on multiple devices.
That's right. That has really taken off in the last couple of years, and the operators have started to embrace it, which has accelerated it.
And then finally, Jeff, what are we going to see from Active in the future here?
Well, I guess the present is a good indication of the future. We've announced within the last couple of months 2 guide-based, or cloud-based guide opportunities that are deploying. One here in Amsterdam with Ziggo, which we literally announced here at the show, that they're doing their video-on-demand guide in the cloud with ActiveVideo. And just a couple of months ago, we announced the same thing with Comcast in the U.S. So we've seen operators beginning to embrace the concept of moving the basic consumer experience into the cloud and taking the dependency out of the device. And we think this is the beginning of the trend for our company and for the industry. So that's what I think you'll see more of in the future.
Fantastic, Jeff. Thanks so much for taking the opportunity to speak with us here at IBC. I hope we get a chance for an update again in the future.
Thanks a lot.
I'm with Mr. Jeff Miller of ActiveVideo Networks. I'm Tony Sklar here at IBC with bnetTV.